We doing this. So my camera just stopped working. So me, hold on, Leo, get your face on. Me, Leo, Ryan, get over here. You're on camera. Your camera. And you're on camera, man. You are. We're gonna be drifting. I can't really drift because I don't have one.
This is a knee knocker. Back up. Get in the shot.
Yeah, you're good. It's where you put your knee on it. So
We are D1. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm about to get a new bike coming in, so he's gonna have this bike. Yeah, and then no, he's gonna have this bike. This one's better. Yeah. So he's gonna have this one. Yeah, you'll have two different. What?
I'll get you in the shade, man.
Actually, no, I'm gonna keep this one.
Y'all are on camera. Y'all gotta be doing some activity. You're on camera, man.
He's pushing me. Hey.
Who wants to be on camera? Okay.
Or you guys want me to rev it?
Rev it. Oh, they don't want to hear that.
Okay. Listen to this beautiful harmony. Oh, I see her in the window. I just saw her in the window.
Oh God, we're outside of Karen's house right now.
Then.
No.
Guys, when you do this, it feels so good.
What do you mean, bro?
Drive on the better go on the abandoned.
How long ago has that been abandoned?
Oh, I heard freaking.
Hold on.
Going that Brandon Casey
Hold on.
goes in that. Brandon Casey goes in that. Bro!
There's
no property there. Well, no, because it's just a bridge over there. I like that bridge.
It's like a.
That house has been abandoned for 3 years.
It's been abandoned?
That's abandoned.
Hold on.
Wait, y'all. Oh,
Test.
Halloween? Can we knock on their door and go trick or treating there?
Hold on. Wait, hold on. We're testing.
Guys, on Halloween, we're gonna make a YouTube video and we're gonna go trick or treating around the neighborhood on our dirt bikes.
Yeah, we're gonna try to go on this thing. Yeah?
Get this in there, my boy.
Alright.
Get
Damn.
the camera, boy.
Alright. Yo, there's a car. Yeah, car.
Alright, you have a chance on the dirt bikes.
Alright.
I'll film.
I'm a good filmer.
I can zoom in. That's 1.2x. That is the right there. This is like my pegs, bro. What? Pegs. I just did the jump. Look at my freaking leg. Oh my god. Yeah, let me zoom in on that, bro. Look at that. That's from that heart. Where? Let me see. No, I
Go to our channel and hit, and then you'll see what
Hit-
happens.
no to end yet.
What?
It didn't end yet. Do y'all hear that? What? Y'all hear that? It's noise. That could be a Karen. All right, ready? The video ended, right? Nope. Where can I prop? Wait, should I? Oh wait! I'm gonna prop them up on the chair. No, I'm gonna see them. Not doing it. Look at this. No. Oh my god, bro! What? Put that back, bro. Look at it. Look what Ryan did. I'm just gonna put this like right there. That's good. You can't see him.
I'm trying to go on that bridge.
Oh yeah, go on that bridge. That bridge right there. That's what he's going on.
Go to the next house. Give me a camera.
Alright, next house. Building. Is it paused?
Can Jason have it?
This? No, he goes on the back of yours. And I take him. Bro, freaking one-handed. You coming, guys? All right, I'm 9. Where the? Oh shit! I don't know my drink. Yo, coming! Come on! Oh, but they take forever. Where are they? Oh, hang on. Freaking finally. Fine. No, I'm freaking doing something. Finally. I'll do a face review in a second. I don't got my brake. Take that. No, this is house. Oh, why is it zoomed in?
Oh, because I zoomed it. I said, look at these freaking slowpokes. Because y'all took forever.
Yeah, that's because we were getting prepared. And,
Yeah, well, there's 2 people on the dirt bike, so that's probably why.
Yeah.
There's 2 people on the dirt bike, so...
I'm gonna try something.
So I freaking
I'm gonna try
zoomed in
something, okay?
over. Oh my god, I did freaking buddy hop. Mom!
You're on camera! You're on camera! You're on camera. No license plate.
Alright, this is what I'm talking about with Nina. Yo! Robert's house! Oh yeah, I got it.
I'm coming.
Robert's house! What? Robert's house.
Down that street.
Here, let me take it.
No,
No. He's actually he has no hands on him. He's hey, yo, take it.
Yeah?
Film me. Hey, zoom in.
No.
He can't. The phone will fall.
No, I can, but we don't have to.
Oh yeah.
It's perfect.
We're gonna be the next Saronster one day, guys.
A what?
Saronster. He's a dirt bike person.
Oh, that, man.
You're gonna go right there, right? I can't do that because there's 2 people.
Yeah. And I'm going no-handed.
Look at that guy.
Look at that maniac. Oh, God.
Oh no.
This is not Robert's house. It's
It's down here.
That over there is that's not his house. That's his house.
It's the Venom! And this is the seed. What? This is the seed. Oh yeah, we named our dirt bikes. This is the seed.
See?
That's the Venom.
Venom.
Yeah. Hey, we named it Venom? Oh crap, they're dogs. Yo, we named it Venom. Look. Venom. Venom.
I'm gonna try to find a place to put y'all.
Wait, what is the computer map? Oh, because he borrowed it. He said that he borrowed it from a friend.
Oh my God.
No, it was from a neighbor. And then he got to have it. No. Oh my god, that was it. Yes! You saw that. Did you get that on camera? Wait, get this on camera, shit. Nice. Now get this one. Oh! Ah, pull it up too high. Hey, ready?
Yeah. Got. actually.
Zoom in, so we can actually. You see that?
Yeah.
You see that guy?
That's Robert Stad.
Yeah. Yo, bro, watch this wheelie, bro.
Try to steady it. Can one of y'all film? Ryan? Can you film?
Yeah, I can film.
I'm gonna write the duck on, so. I'm gonna write the duck on.
Okay.
Do y'all see the figure?
Oh yeah, guys, I'm also.
Right there. Do y'all see that?
I don't know how to film.
It's on pause, guys. Oh, sorry. We had a discussion about something. My eye. Don't take it. Who's riding it? Where are we going? I can't freaking aura farm because I'm holding the damn phone. Never do anything. No. Bro, I mean, like, they never do anything work, bro. There's freaking 2 people on that dirt bike. 2 freaking people. One of them has free hand. Me freaking on the other hand, I have to freaking use my feet to brake. Like, hey. Bro, someone take the phone.